PU, polyurethane, decorative elements have become one of the most popular choices in modern interior design. Lightweight, durable, and easy to install, PU products offer both beauty and practicality. In this video, we'll walk through two essential applications: the installation of PU decorative flowers and the creation of a PU background molding. First, the PU decorative flower installation. Craftsmen carefully position each piece, applying adhesive and pressing it firmly against the ceiling. The result is a seamless connection that enhances the elegance of the room while maintaining long-lasting durability. Next, the PU background molding design. These linear elements are installed to outline or divide wall surfaces, creating depth and visual interest. The clean lines and precise finishing not only highlight the sophistication of the design but also reflect the skill of the installers. Together, PU decorative flowers and molding transform plain spaces into stylish interiors. They provide an affordable and efficient way to elevate the overall atmosphere, making them a favorite in both residential and commercial projects.